Selamat malam. Semalam semua. So, mood ko sa rito layan. Laban nama. Sa rito, kita ka reaction video seram. Ya, atau real ataupun edit kita nak namo. So, kali itu kita nggak akan nggak reaction lucu, memes sukai, tapi kita akan nggak reaction seram. Dalam masa anyway macam itu. So, nah gitu kepada subscribe. Kita tahu subscribe channel tu dia tu. Lepas kita akan reaction nama-nama benda yang terjadi balu dia. Nak kisahnya memes, benda pelik ataupun benda yang seram. So guys, kita mesti pada video tu sampai habis. Anda skip, Anda takut. Nanti kita takut. Aku pun boleh hanya ditakut. Oke, aku ada kau so kita terus ngau topik terus ngau topik video dia kali gunanya reaction video seram. Yes, kita mula. I was coming home from my stranger standing behind bus stop, but saya abaikan dia. Apa kepada itu? Apakah itu? Itu adalah compilation ada TikTok lah. Video-video seram ada TikTok. Seperti karya. Oh my god. Ya terus nih dia. Oh my god guys. 5 minit selepas itu lambat baca. Ya ampun, background sound, background music tu macam hai. Nama kuasai nyergau bulu pada tu. Adakah aku penakut kah ataupun memang tu seram? Nama tu kita bisa mendakah ataupun ni bagi aku rasa benda yang warna putih.
Hello?
Ada kena clown.
You okay? Just get out of here.
Guys, we just found the craziest thing right now. We are at the gates of hell.
Okay, show
So
it.
we came up through there and there's a dead chicken in a bag with feathers everywhere. The gates of hell are down there and apparently people come here to worship the devil and do sacrifices. I have actually come across people while I've been here. We're gonna come back here at night, so if you wanna see that, like this video, and yeah, this is like
Nice.
really effed up.
And like this video
upset.
too.
I feel like I'm gonna get out. Yeah, we should probably go.
Better kita ngena earphone untuk lebih feel that latar game. This is scary, dude. Yeah. Apa yang terjadi, nama terjadi itu? Bunyi orang apa ya? Hai.
I'm not down for that.
Okay, I'm free. Oh my god.
Did you say that? Oh my god!
So it's not like bad.
Oh my god.
What it is?
That.
Terangkan dulu.
And
Ayah, so scary.
What? Oh my god.
Aneh semek. What?
you'll have doors opening and closing, drawers opening. A little blow on the back of my head.
Oh, so scary, dude. Apa belakang kalau ni?
Maybe it's a mannequin? I hope it's a mannequin.
And what happened to she?
She's moving slightly. She's like rocking back and forth. You see that? Yeah.
Aneh skip. Sama-sama kita react.
She's not jumping or?
This scary
I don't know.
video.
That's. She's rocking back and forth, right? I think so.
Hey guys,
Yeah, no, she just did.
nama ada yang tahu berdiri dia? Huh?
What the fuck? Zoom in again.
Don't zoom in. Yes.
She just.
Please be sure to monitor your emotional state while watching this video. Hello. Hello. About how many people are you with right now? Are you sure? Did you... Do you believe violence is ever justified? If you had to guess, how long would you say it would take to get from your front door to where you are right now? How far would you go to protect a loved one? What's your favorite color? Do you have any pets? How did your parents treat you as a child? Dead body?
Scary
What's your
sound.
favorite color? What's 4 times 4? Do you cry at funerals? Were you happy or sad as a child? Are you happy now? Where are your...
Scary sound.
So I've been hearing some strange
Macam-
noises from your
Terangkan dulu.
bathroom. And so I'm going to set up this camera
Nenek kocok.
to record
Kau peluh.
and see if we catch anything. I've never caught anything on camera before, so I'm hoping that this might be the first time. But kind of sounds like scratches.
Anda mengejut. Kita bisa mendakkah? Wanita membayang.
The Expressionless, an urban legend that gained traction on creepypasta. And this is how it goes. In 1972, a woman appears in a Los Angeles hospital wearing nothing but a white dress
This is
covered in
real,
blood. But
is it
this
real?
wasn't an ordinary woman. She had the fluidity of a human, but the face of a mannequin. And for some reason, there was a kitten clamped between her teeth, spewing blood down the front of her. She took the kitten out of her mouth, threw it on the floor, and collapsed. She was taken into a back room to be sedated and seemed extremely calm until it was time to sedate her. That's when she lashed out,
Dia
and 2
terjam
nurses had to
pukul
hold her down. She then turned to the
pukul
doctor and
10-an,
smiled,
50-an
showing her
malam.
razor-sharp teeth.
Kena
The
kat
doctor,
hari
in shock,
5,
asked, "What
malam
are
hari
you?"
6.
She signaled him down to her as if to whisper in his ear, and then latched onto his neck and ripped out his jugular with her teeth. And while he lay on the floor suffering, she leans over top of him and says, "I am God." She has never been seen since then, but supposedly one of the nurses that survived the incident called her.
Yeah. Siapa aku nemu? Nanti kita akan aku. Yo. Nama aku bisa data baru. Nanti aku nak peduli. Yeah. Let's go. Habis kau dah ataupun habis guys. So naja video ko sa ito untuk malam to. So aneh untuk share, like, and subscribe video ko ito. Kapan? Aku akan react ke bukai atau ke seram ataupun memes and apapun videonya aku akan react. And video tadi tu first video seram yang aku react and aku rasa macam bulu ku terangkat. Sound effect yang padu seram. Kayaknya aja guys. Nggak ada video terwinda and enjoy video tu. Nanti video aku buka and subscribe kita kepada subscribe. Harap kita subscribe kepada subscribe. Ya ajar aku and follow page Iban. Iban Tero bisa page lama, page aku lah Iban Tero ataupun TikTok ataupun YouTube. Okay, ya ajar. Bye. Thank you.